Hi guys! Today I'm going to share the items in your house that you forget to clean. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great today. I'm Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos. If you're into these kinds of stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the red button down below, and follow me on my Instagram account and on my Facebook account. Their links are in the description box below. Anyway, let's get on with the video now. We always wanted to keep our home clean and presentable by cleaning it regularly and by making sure that everything is in its right places. However, it's also part of being human that sometimes, no matter how rigorous we are in cleaning, we also tend to overlook or miss a few spots or items inside the house to clean. Now, let's start with the general items in your home that you forget to clean, and then we're going to move on to the living area and the kitchen, which are also very important parts of the house. By the way, I want to thank everyone who left a comment on my previous video, especially to the top commenters on my videos, namely Myra Shield and Carveloso. Also, thank you to Rafaela Gascon and Corazon Miranda. Your likes and comments help this channel a lot, so please keep them coming, guys. I'll feature some of your comments on my next video. As a challenge, I'm going to ask you guys to grab a pen and paper and jot down which of these items you also forget to clean, and let's compare your list to my list by the end of the video. This list will also serve as a reminder for you from now on to clean these items regularly. So the first general items that we forget to clean are the door handles. After spending the whole day going to a lot of places outside, not knowing where our hands have been, unless you regularly sanitize your hands, what is the first thing that we make contact in our house? Yep, that's our door handle. We reach or grab the door handle to open the door. And most of the time, we barely remember to give it a good wipe. I personally use antibacterial wipes or a cleaning spray and a microfiber cloth to clean our door handles. If you wanted a more natural way to clean it, you can mix 1 tablespoon each of vinegar, flour, and salt and spread it on the door handle and then let it sit for a few minutes, and then you can wash it off thoroughly. The second general item that we forget to clean are the wall sockets. This one may be a little difficult or tricky to clean because you have to turn off the power first before you'll be able to clean them. If you're not able to do this, then you can use a dry microfiber cloth and just wipe it on your wall sockets to keep it free from dust. The third one is in relation to our wall sockets, and that is our switches. The easiest way to clean our switches is to get a microfiber cloth or a paper towel and spray your favorite cleaning spray, not on the switch, but on the microfiber cloth or the paper towel, and wipe it on the switch. The fourth one are the cables and power cords. Again, be sure to unplug the cables or power cords before wiping them with a clean microfiber cloth and your favorite cleaning spray. Just make sure to not spray directly on the cables or power cords. Spray on the microfiber cloth or the paper towel first. Now, the fifth one are the window sills or window tracks. This is also one of the main parts of the house that I always forget to clean. The next on our list are the handrails. Wherever your hand tends to land on, that spot definitely needs to be cleaned. And the last one under the general items is the wall skirting. Yes, it's at the bottom part of the wall, and most of the time we don't even notice it because it's hidden by the furniture and appliances anyway. But there are also parts of this wall skirting which we can see regularly and therefore needed to be wiped clean at least once a month or once every 3 months or during your general cleaning. Now let's move on to the living area. There are also a lot of items here that we tend to overlook. Let's start with the TV screen. Surely, do not wait for it to come to a point where while you're watching TV, you're not sure if that teeny tiny black spot is a mole on the actor's face or just dirt on your TV screen. Make sure to wipe your screen with a soft, dry cloth in a gentle manner to avoid scratches. The second item is our remote controls. You can sanitize your remote control by spraying rubbing alcohol on a microfiber cloth or a paper towel. For the gaps between the buttons, you can use a cotton swab to reach the gaps properly. Now, don't forget to take out the batteries first. The third one is our PlayStation or Xbox with their controllers. You can use a microfiber cloth with your favorite cleaning spray to wipe them, but make sure not to directly spray on them. Now, let's move on to the fourth one for the living area, and that is our faux plants or fake plants. If you have a feather duster, then you can dust off your faux plants or your fake plants every day. Just make it a part of your daily cleaning routine. The fifth item on our list is the sheepskin or faux sheepskin. Now, I wash this about at least once a month. You can just throw it in the washer and turn it on gentle cycle, and then that's it. The sixth on our list are the children's toys or toys in general. Our children's toys are very important to be always kept clean. We don't know what our children are doing with it. Like sometimes they end up in their mouths, and playing with a dirty toy is a very dangerous thing for our kids to play with. So I recommend cleaning them with warm soapy water, or if they have electrical components, then you can wipe them clean instead. The seventh on our list are the computer screens or our laptops. I'm also guilty of not cleaning my laptop regularly, especially since I use it all day every day. Now, to clean the screen of your laptop, you don't have to use anything. You just have to dampen your microfiber cloth or a soft cloth or a lint-free cloth with water, and then you can wipe it on your laptop screen. I recommend buying a laptop cover with a keyboard cover because these will serve as protection for your laptop. If you guys like my laptop cover, I've put the link in the description box below where you can buy them. Now we're on to the last thing in our living area, and we're going to move on to the kitchen. The last on our list are the wall fixtures. You can use a feather duster just to make it easier for you to dust off your wall fixtures or wall arts every day. But if you don't have a feather duster like me, I don't own one, you can give your wall fixtures or your wall decors a good wipe every week. I feel like I could relate about forgetting to clean almost every item on this list. How about you guys? Please tell me I'm not the only one. Anyway, we're now on to the kitchen, and let's see what else we're forgetting to clean. And then after this, we're also going to discuss the items that you forget to clean in your bathroom and bedroom as well. And these things are also very important, so just keep watching the video. The first item in our kitchen area that we forget to clean are the cabinet fronts. Alright, I'm also guilty of forgetting to wipe our cabinet fronts. I try to remind myself every time I'm in the kitchen, but I get lazy sometimes too. This video now serves as a reminder for the both of us to wipe our cabinet fronts. Dish soap and warm water are perfect for cleaning your cabinet fronts because they effectively remove grease and grimes. The second one is related to the cabinet fronts, and that is our cabinet handles. You can also wash your cabinet handles with dish soap and warm water. Just don't forget to rinse them off. The third one is our dishwasher. If you have a dishwasher, which by the way, I can't relate, maybe sometimes you also forget that the thing washing your dishes needs also a good cleaning every once in a while. So head on to the supermarket now and buy a dishwasher cleaner, or you can most definitely use just 1 cup of vinegar to wash away the dirt and grime and the odor too. The fourth item on our list is the top of our refrigerator, and the fifth one is the front of our refrigerator. Just give them a good wipe about once a week. Next on our list is the oven hood or stove hood. Just because we don't see what's inside of it doesn't mean we should not clean it. Every 3 to 6 months or so, give your oven hood or your stove hood a good look and deep clean it to remove the grease and grime buildup. The seventh one is under the sink. I'm going to give emphasis on the waste strap under the sink. Just give it a good wipe whenever you're general cleaning. The eighth one is the wall or backsplash behind the appliances. I'm also guilty of not wiping the wall or the backsplash behind our appliances. I feel lazy moving the appliance just to give the backsplash backsplash or the wall a good wipe. That's why it's important to have a schedule on when you should clean this area. The 9th item on our list is the coffee maker. I used to have a coffee maker and I know it's a hassle to clean. Just run it over with a vinegar and rinse it off properly and your coffee will taste a lot better for sure. The next one is the tea kettle or your electric water heater. You can also clean your tea kettle or water heater using vinegar. Just pour about half full of water or about 3/4 full of water in your tea kettle or your water heater and then add about a cup of vinegar in it and then just let it boil. The next item is our dish rack. I wash our dish rack every day. It's just part of a routine that I do every morning. But if you're too busy for that, then you can do it most definitely every week. The 12th one is the spice rack. I'm only reminded of cleaning my spice rack whenever I get spices from it. And of course, I can't clean it immediately because I'm cooking whenever I'm using it. And then I easily forget about it after I cook. So the solution to this is to keep a schedule on when you should clean it. The next one is also very important and that is our bread toaster. I've only probably cleaned our bread toaster just once ever since I bought it. But I bought it like only 6 months ago, so I guess I'm still in the safe zone. How about you guys? When was the last time you cleaned your bread toaster? My suggestion is if you have a vacuum, connect a straw at the end of the vacuum to reach the deepest part of your toaster. Trust me, it works. And I'm so glad about this hack. The 14th item on our list are our reusable water bottles, especially with our stainless steel reusable bottles or those which are not transparent. We should be mindful about washing them regularly because these bottles can get too moldy from the inside. Next is our placemats and coasters. Just give your placemats and coasters a good wipe after using them. The next thing is our kitchen faucet. You could give your kitchen faucet a good wipe after cleaning the dishes every night. Do it just once a day, preferably at nighttime because nobody's gonna use it until the next day. The next one is our dish sponge or scrub brush. If you use a dish sponge or a scrub brush, you're probably thinking that you don't have to clean them because they're always soaked in soap, right? But of course, you're wrong because we also use them to brush away food or dirt from our dishes. Most probably, there are food particles stuck in the brush which needed to be cleaned. And finally, the last one on our list in the kitchen is our dish caddy. If you have a dish caddy, I recommend brushing your dish caddy with a dish soap at least once a week. And now we're on to the bathroom. Just loving this moment. How much on this list have you forgotten so far? I hope you're writing them down too or typing them on your notepad because we're going to compare your list to my list later on in this video. We clean ourselves in the bathroom naked, so it's really important to have a clean bathroom. No matter how regularly we clean our bathroom, there's a great chance that we also forget some areas or some items in there that we should also clean. First item in this area is the shower head. It is recommended to give your shower head a thorough cleaning at least once a month. In order to clean this, you could fill a plastic bag with vinegar and wrap it around your shower head. Leave it for a couple of hours and rinse it off by turning on your shower. The next one is the shower curtain. If you have a cloth shower curtain, you can toss it off in the washer and add detergent and 1 cup of vinegar and turn it on gentle cycle to wash it. But if you have a plastic shower curtain, you do have to scrub it. Fill a spray bottle with equal parts of water and vinegar and spray it on your plastic shower curtain and then start scrubbing. We do have 4 more items in our bathroom that we forgot to clean and then we're going to move on to our bedroom and our personal items, and I'm sure you don't want to miss these items, so just keep watching you guys. The next one is our shower rack or shower caddy. I always include this in my bathroom cleaning routine, so I'm very much sure that I never forget cleaning this. How about you guys? How often do you clean your shower rack or shower caddy? Do you include this in your bathroom cleaning as well? This next one is I'm also guilty of forgetting to clean, and that is our towel rack. The 5th one, I should say, is one of the grossest things in our bathroom, and that is our toothbrush holder. You can soak it in hot soapy water first and then you can start brushing the insides with a small bristle brush or another brush, and then you can fill the toothbrush holder with an antibacterial mouthwash and just let it sit for a few minutes and then you can rinse it off. Let it dry completely before putting back your toothbrush and your toothpaste. Now we're down to 2 items in our bathroom. The second to the last one is our soap dish. I give our soap dish a brush every now and then, especially when I already notice buildup of soap scum in it. And the last one is probably the grossest part of our bathroom, and that is our toilet brush. What I do is I soak it in bleach every time after I use it. And then I just let it sit for about half an hour and then rinse it off with water. Now, before we move on to the last category, let's check what's on your list so far, guys. Do you have a long list yet? I sure do have one. And the last category is our bedroom and personal items. Now, I only have about a few items in here that I want to emphasize. The first one is the main part of our bedroom, and that is our bed mattress. I could relate strongly on this one because I feel like cleaning the bed mattress is a very big task. You can clean your bed mattress about once every 6 months, sprinkle baking soda on it, and just let it sit for a couple of hours. 24 hours is better, but if you don't have that much time, then you can probably let it sit for about 12 hours or so, and then remove the baking soda off the mattress by vacuuming it. The second item on our list is hair brushes or combs. You could soak them in warm water and detergent to soften the dirt and residue. If you wanted a more natural way in cleaning them, you could soak them in equal parts of vinegar and warm water. Let them soak for about half an hour or so. Give them a good brush and rinse afterwards. The third item is our curling irons or flat irons. With all those hair products that you apply before curling or flattening your hair, I'm sure your flat iron or your curling iron becomes sticky due to the residue buildup. So my advice is to mix dish soap and water and dip a microfiber cloth in it or a soft cloth, and then wipe it on your curling iron or your flat iron, and give special attention to the sole plate. There are 3 more items in this list, and then we're done. We're going to compare our lists afterwards. The third to the last one are the cards in your wallet and your wallet. You definitely use your wallet and your cards a lot, and we definitely never thought of giving them a good wipe after constantly using them. Just wipe them with a microfiber cloth or paper towel dipped in warm soapy water. The next one is our personal devices like our phones and our tablets. I sanitize our phones every day. I use tissue and spray rubbing alcohol on it. And finally, the last item is our keys. You can soak your keys in soapy water or use disinfectant wipes to clean them. Now it's time to compare our list. What do you have on your list, guys? This is my list. Which one of us has a longer list? I bet I have the longer one. Let me know down below which one of us forgets the most. Anyway, that's the end of our video, guys. Let me know what you think about this video. If you like these kinds of videos, please give this a thumbs up so that I could make more videos like this. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Your comments, your likes, aside from your views, really help this channel a lot. So please keep them coming, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!